Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add color glow effect on Capcut. So here I'm gonna be using a photo, but you can also use video for this edit. So what you need to do is first copy the photo or video that you add, and then click on one of them and set it as overlay. Okay, so it'll go like this, and then click on the main video and then set the opacity of it into 0. Okay, click on the overlay and then go to cut out, click on chroma key, drag the color picker into the skin tone like this, and then set the intensity and also the shadow into 100. After that, click on the check icon, go back and then add some go to video effects, click on basic and then select the age glow, click on that and adjust it into 100. Click on check icon and then set the effect for all of the clips or photos, then go to object and then click on overlay so that the effects only apply to the overlay. Click on the check icon and then click on the overlay, then go to adjust and set the saturation into 50 and exposure into -50. Click on the check icon and then go to splice and choose filter. Click on the check icon and then now click on the main video or photo and then set the opacity back into 100. So now the video or photo will look like this. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Thank you guys.